So the IFM, the French myeloma group, decided to initiate a randomized phase 3 study addressing the non-transplant eligible patients with newly diagnosed myeloma and frail. And the goal was to give much less steroids in this frail population. So the structure of this phase 3 trial is a comparison between the standard of care at that time, which was the combination of Revlimid, lenalidomide, plus dexamethasone until progression, and the experimental arm is lenalidomide plus daratumumab, and the dexamethasone was given only for the first 2 cycles. We're talking about monthly cycles. And this experimental arm is also until progression. So, dexamethasone steroids is a very important drug in myeloma. It is highly efficacious. However, it has side effects. And mostly, it does increase infections, and this is particularly important in the elderly patients and especially in the frail patients. So, investigators in the past have already tried to get rid or decrease the steroid dose and duration. So the efficacy is in fact quite outstanding. Concerning the median PFS, the median progression-free survival, meaning the median time when 50% of the patients are alive without progression, without myeloma, active myeloma, it's around 4 years in the experimental arm, combining Revlimid plus daratumumab, while it's a little bit less than 2 years in the standard arm, Revlimid dexamethasone. So you almost double this PFS with this new regimen, which is absolutely outstanding. So the quality of life was better, and they got a better quality of life and faster compared to the steroid-containing regimen with lenalidomide. So not only more efficacious, but better quality of life for this, again, frail population. I didn't mention, but you have to keep in mind that the median age of the patients enrolled in this study was 81 years of age, which is quite old. It means a lot. The IFM has established a new standard of care for newly diagnosed non-transplant eligible patients with the so-called MAIA trial. You are probably well aware of this trial where we compared Revlimid dex plus versus Revlimid dex plus daratumumab, and the median PFS in this study is 62 months, so 5 years of median PFS when you combine Revlimid dex plus daratumumab continuously. That was in the global population of the non-transplant eligible. What adds to this standard of care treatment in this study, the 2017-03, is that for the frail patients, it's important to keep the same regimen, the so-called triplets, Revlimid, steroids, daratumumab, but you should stop the steroids after the first 2 months. And then you have an excellent outcome for this specific frail population.